famished. I could really go for some toast right now.
Okay, why don't you make some?
I would if I could, but I don't have any bread.
Oh, that's no problem. Making bread is easy.
Really? Every time I try and make my own bread, it has all these tiny little holes and a thick crust that I can't even gnaw through.
Don't tell me you're still underhydrating your bread in 2024.
Hydrating? It's bread.
The true miracle of bread is all the math you put into it.
That sounds complicated.
No, it's just baker's math.
What's baker's math?
Baker's math is using percentages and ratios in order to make the perfect treat every time.
I'm intrigued.
You should be. Hydration is calculated by taking the weight of water or liquid in a recipe and dividing it by the weight of flour to get a percentage.
Reminds me of something that I learned recently. Do you know that recipes are just a big formula and flour is the centerpiece? The total weight of the flour is always treated as 100%, and all other ingredients are measured against the flour weight to convert it into percentages.
Wow, does that work even if I make my batch bigger?
That's a great question. This is really where the ratios come in. While ingredient amounts change with different batch sizes, the relationship between the flour, water, salt, starter, and other things remain the same.
I don't know how I'm gonna make all this bread for my family, my husband, and my 8 children, and now I have to make all this bread for my husband's work wife and her family of 5. And I'm always getting complaints that my bread has little tiny holes in it. How am I gonna make this quantity of bread and fix my problem?
Did you hear that?
It sounds like someone's in trouble.
Did someone say bread?
Wait, who are you? Why are you here?
No need to thank us.
You seem to be dealing with a case of underhydrated bread.
What?
Don't worry, we'll help you.
All you need is some simple math.
Okay, I guess I have nothing else to lose.
How many cups of water are in your starter recipe right now?
Like 2 cups?
And how much flour?
4.5 cups.
Well, that explains it. You only have 44% hydration. Let's try making the starter again. With using 3.5 cups of water and 3 cups of flour, you can make the perfect bread with 116% hydration.
Okay, I'm ready.
Whoa. Aren't you making bread for 5 more people than usual?
Yeah, so,
How many people does your bread normally serve?
just my family of 10.
Well, that's not gonna work.
Huh?
You're gonna need to amp up those ingredients.
And how would I even do that?
I hate to tell you this, but it's more math.
I give up.
No, don't give up yet. It's just simple multiplication.
So all I have to do is multiply my recipe by 5?
Not unless you want bread for 50 people.
Since you're adding 5 extra people, you're gonna need to multiply every ingredient in the recipe by 1.5, 1.5, as seen here.
Alright guys, thanks. Let's try it.